I went thrift shopping today to get some decor for staging. Found this bowl and it was $5.99 and it was a 50% off sale. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take just hand sand all on the inside and the outside, give it a restain and a coat in varnish because I would like it just a little bit darker. I found these. These wooden beads are the wrong color. I love the beads. They were $1.99, 50% off sale, $1. Can't go wrong. I'm just going to use what I have. And I would like them textured. So I'm using my French linen by Dixie Belle paint leftover and baking soda. Mixing container. I'm going to put in, this is a general rule, 5 parts paint to 1 part bicarb. So you're just going to have to eyeball it for whatever project you need. I don't need a whole lot of paint, just need to get some bicarb that doesn't have chunks in it. I don't want chunks. And mix it around. This is just going to give it a more textured, the beads sort of look and feel like stone. Okay, a bit more. I think I've added more than 1 part bicarb. I want it really textured, so I'm just going to paint it on, let it dry, and then flip them over and paint the other side. Ooh, this paint's nice. If you don't want paint to get on your counter, which it doesn't matter for me, put a drop cloth down. That's those. First coat. I'm going to pop the lid on. It probably won't be too long before it dries. And then I'll take a second coat to it, cover up all the red. I'll probably have to do maybe a third as well. So, and I'm just going to pop my brush in a bag. Stop it from drying out. And these containers are great. I just got them at the dollar shop. They're the Betty Crocker 12 ounce. I'm really happy with those. They're going to turn out great and they are very textured, and I realise you're not going to be able to see that when you're staging, but they are going to live in my house, so I will be able to see it when they're